Hi everybody, I'm Chimney Chuck with Clean Sweep and Arundel Chimney. A lot of people think of our company and they think that we just sweep and inspect chimneys. We do a whole lot more than that. Some of the things that we do that you might not be familiar with is our services are about preventing premature damage to your chimney and your home due to water leaks. Water intrusion is one of the number one causes of chimney failure and failure of your home surroundings. We like to eliminate mold and safety hazards from your chimney as well. And we believe in maintaining your air quality in your home, and that is very important. What you breathe and what you put into your lungs, especially with what's going on in today's world, is of extreme importance to know what's going on. Please remember, regularly check your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors, your fire extinguishers, make sure that they're charged, and make sure everyone in the home knows your emergency exit plan in case there is an emergency and you need to get out fast. If you need help with any of these problems, rest assured, our CSIA certified technicians are standing watch, ready to help with any of these concerns you may have. Remember, we make chimneys healthy, and you can contact us at cleansweepaa.com.